Hello everyone, welcome to my English speaking YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great, and today I would like to talk about my brother. At first, I have a brother. He is very friendly and helpful, and he always encourages me to improve myself. He helps a lot. We spent a lot of time together. Always he calls me, and I feel proud. I feel comfortable to his suffer. I feel comfortable when I speak with him. So he's very special to me. And my brother is one of my close family member. So I never don't say bad word, and I respect all time because he's very special to me. He's not only brother but also my friend, and he always has my back. And so he always supports me. He always supports me in every situations. And I I get time, then I try to talk with him. So he always calls me, and he takes news. So Alhamdulillah, I feel proud to have such a brother, and I am very happy. In my opinion, a brother is a lifelong companion. So a brother is very important in our life. So right now I am very happy because when I get time, then I try to talk with him, and in collision, a brother is lifelong companion. So our should respect him. Okay.